So grading policies and due dates are both very important questions, and this video is going to cover what you can expect from me in terms of how I grade work, how late work is graded, and how I handle due dates. So essentially what you really need to know is that all due dates are listed in red on the course calendar. They are also listed in the weekly announcements and posted in D2L. So there shouldn't be any confusion about what the due date for an assignment is. If you are unclear about something, you can certainly just send me an email. If you aren't able to meet a due date for some reason, I really need you to email me and communicate at least 24 hours in advance of the due date to let me know that you need an extension, and we can talk about what's going on or what the plan is for getting the work submitted. If I don't hear from you and you don't meet the due date, then all work submitted past the due date and up to 1 week late will be eligible for a 70% late grade. Any work that's turned in more than 1 week late will be graded as a 0. And usually what happens is I'll put the 0 in immediately following the due date if an assignment is not submitted, and then if you submit it during that 1 week late window, then I'll update the grade to be a 70%, or I'll leave it a 0 if it goes past a week. But even if it's more than a week, you still can communicate with me. That's really the most important thing, is to just stay in communication with me. We can talk, we can work on extensions, we can work on getting work turned in. Don't get so discouraged that you just stop attending or stop turning in work. We can come back from pretty much anything. I'll work with you as much as I can. It is important to know also that if you miss the original due date and you're turning something in late, that you are forfeiting your opportunity for a rewrite or a retake. So for example, if you write a paper and the grade is less than a 70% passing grade, then you have one opportunity to rewrite that assignment. Or if you take a quiz and you get less than a 70% passing grade, you have one opportunity to retake that quiz. However, if you turn in that paper or quiz late, past the due date, then you do not get any rewrite or retake opportunity. Whatever grade you earn is the grade that stays. So keep that in mind as well when you're managing due dates. Pre-writing for each one of the writing assignments is due before the final draft. You cannot turn in pre-writing after you've already turned in the final paper. That defeats the purpose of pre-writing. So any pre-writing submitted late, past the actual due date for the final paper, will be graded as a 0. It is important that you be processing and revising as part of your drafting process. So if you're not doing that, the pre-writing grade also will be forfeit. So for example, if you turn in a rough draft and then turn in the exact same paper as the final draft, I won't give you credit for pre-writing because you haven't engaged in the revising process. So that pretty much covers all of my grading and due date policies. The really important thing is to just remember to get in touch with me. I'm flexible. I will work with you. I'm happy to help students be successful. I just need you to reach out to me and let me know what's going on. So if you need an extension, just send me an email and let me know, and then we can talk about what you can do to get the work done and set up an alternate timeline for you. I hope this helps, and of course, let me know if you have questions.